Hey guys, welcome back to TR Tech. In this video, we'll see control statements in Java. Before going to that, please support me and subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed. Let's see what are control statements or the control flow in Java. So control statements are the statements in that the code will be executed according to the order we have given the program. So Java provides these statements that can be executed to control the flow of Java code. So such statements are called control flow statements. In that we have selection statements also called as decision making statements and iterative statements also called as looping statements and jumping statements. In decision making or selection statements, we have two kinds of statements. One is if statement and another one is switch statement. Let's go with simple if statement. In if statement, we have simple if else, nested if, and if else if. So open your editor. Here I am using Eclipse editor. So just create a folder, click on file and new Java project. I have already created it. That is control statements. Click on source and click on new. Create a class. So here you can give package or not. That is default. Here I am giving default package. So click on public static void main. Give your class name and click on finish. So here you can simply click on control and it will give the class. So what are decision making statements or selection statements? So these are the statements which will evaluate either true or false. That is nothing but a boolean value. So in that we have if statement. In if we have four types of if statements. That is simple if else, nested if and if else if. So let's go with simple if. It can give the statement either true or false based upon the statement. So let's go with simple if statement. So here is the syntax of if statement. It is the most basic statement of control flow statements in Java and it evaluates a boolean expression that is true if the condition or the statement is true when we execute the statement. So let's see with an example. For example, int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20. So if a plus b greater than 20, it will execute a block of code if the condition is true. So here we'll print the statement system.out.println. Sysout space control space is the shortcut for system.out.println. So here we'll print a plus b greater than 20. So here if the condition is true, then it will print a plus b is greater than 20. So let's execute the statement once. So it is printing a plus b is greater than 20. Why? Because the condition is true. For example, if we make it as 40, then it will not print. Coming to if-else statement, here is the syntax of if-else statement. It contains if block and else block. So it is the extension of if. It executes the code if the statement is true. Else it will execute second statement. So let's see with an example. For example, here we have a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So if a greater than b, this out control space, print a. So else block will execute if the condition is false. So sys out control space and print b. So just run the program. It will execute 20. Why? Because a is less than b. So it will print 20.
In the next video, we'll see if else if, nested if and switch statement in Java. Please support me and subscribe our channel.